On my cleaning process, I want to start with the glass open about 1.5 to 2 inches because I want to get the top edge clean. Now, I'm going to blade or I'm going to scrub it. It doesn't matter. I have to start on the edge. Don't be too gentle, but you don't want to scratch the glass either, okay? So you saw that I went halfway on the edge, I overlap, and now I'll go up close because I have all of this to clean. So I'm going to clean it. And I am overlapping as much as I can, okay? Now, I know that sometimes you're not going to be able to clean everything with this little blade. Over here you can't because of that obstacle. So I have a longer one, and that's how I know you didn't finish because you never used this. So now you want to go there and finish it up. Okay? So now that this whole glass is bladed, my next thing to do now is rinse everything. All the crap that I scraped, I want to get it out of there. So what I want to do is I'll go to the top of the glass with the squeegee, always in one direction, always overlapping. Can you see my overlap?
Yes.
Okay. Always overlapping so you leave no crap behind, okay? Now, I got all the crap over here and I left it there. Well, I don't want any crap on my film, so I am going to rinse. You have one of these, the Easy Reach. You're going to go in the channel, make sure it's clean. In the channel, make sure it's clean. You want to make sure the column and the top are clean in case your film touches it. You don't want to touch it, but if it does, it's clean. Now, I want to lubricate the film. Now, I can see where my water went down. That means I didn't clean that up yet. So now I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go up. And why am I not using the water going up? It's because gravity is going to bring it down. So I don't want to do that. I want to make sure I grab whatever crap it's here and it stays here, okay? Now I'm going to clean the edge of the glass. I'm going to mist it, clean the squeegee, and now I'm overlapping. You see the edge over there?
Yes.
And I brought everything here.
Yes.
Now overlap again. Usually I do just 2 passes because from here on down it's clean anyway. Now I am going to rinse it again, and now I'm ready for start. Cut.